Hi! Finally, LOXONE audio in every project. Retrofitting audio is often time-consuming, expensive, or simply impossible. With a wireless speaker, you can bring LOXONE audio to any project. Until now, LOXONE audio always required an audio server. But the wireless speaker connects directly to any mini server, even devices that have been installed in the building for over 15 years. You don't have to open any walls or lay any cables. Integration is as easy as usual. The speaker is simply integrated into your home network via the Wi-Fi network. It then behaves like any other audio zone in LOXONE. Controllable via the mini server, combinable with wired zones, and integrated into the building logic. In addition to the usual sources such as Spotify, AirPlay, TuneIn, SoundSuite, and local music, you can also play content from any Bluetooth-enabled device directly through the wireless speaker and even stream it via Bluetooth to grouped wired zones. Of course, with a wireless speaker, you can take advantage of all the benefits of a LOXONE system to use the speaker for much more than just music. Doorbell, fire alarm, water alarm, burglar alarm, wake-up sound, and announcements. The mini server makes audio part of your automation. Presence, time, or event. Anything can be a trigger. Audio responds automatically on demand without intervention. The wireless speaker is operated as usual via the LOXONE app or via Touch, Touch Pure, Remote Air, or any control element that you connect to LOXONE. And the sound? No compromise. Cleanly tuned, present mids, and full sound, despite its compact design. The whole thing comes in a stylish, understated design with a high-quality anodized aluminum housing. Durable products are a matter of course at LOXONE. We think long-term and sustainably. All products receive free updates for years. The wireless speaker is compatible with mini servers that were installed 15 years ago. This is not marketing, it simply shows how the system is designed. To get started, unpack and connect. The speaker automatically opens its own Wi-Fi, you go directly to the web interface for the network settings, enter your network data, and then there are two ways to proceed. Use the LOXONE app to start the device search. The speaker will send an acoustic signal, assign it to a room, start the auto configuration, done. Or use LOXONE config. Audio device search, speaker found, assign room, auto-config automatically creates an audio player. That's it. No additional tools, no hassle. In the end, it's simple. Rooms should sound good without the technology becoming a project. That's exactly what the wireless speaker makes possible in every one of your projects.